Welcome back. In this short video, I will show how to make your spreadsheet look tidy and professional using borders and shading in the Excel 365 online version. These are quick visual changes that improve readability without touching any numbers or formulas. Open your document or create a new one. First, open the Home tab. The commands for shading and borders live in the font group, in the same area you use for bold or font color. If your ribbon looks different, switch to the classic ribbon using this drop-down arrow so the buttons are visible. One simple idea to remember is that changing how a cell looks does not change the value inside it. Shading or fill color is an easy way to highlight key cells, separate sections, or mark column headers. To do this, select the single cell or drag across a range you want to color. Then find the paint bucket icon in the font group. Click the small arrow next to it to open the color palette. Choose a theme or standard color and click to apply. The background of the selected cells will change right away. Borders add clear lines around cells and help your tables print and scan better. The faint gray grid lines you see on screen do not print, so adding borders gives your table a real edge. Start by selecting the range of cells you want to outline or separate, for example, your whole data table. Still on the Home tab in the font group, look for the square icon with lines around it, which is the Borders command. Click the arrow to open the menu, and you will see options like Bottom Border, Outside Border, and All Borders. All Borders draws a line around every cell in the selection and is a good choice for beginners because it creates a clear table. If you want a simpler outline, choose Outside Borders to draw only around the outer edge of the selection, or use Bottom Border to underline a row. For more control, scroll to the bottom of the Borders menu, where you can pick line color and line style to change thickness or use a different color for the lines. That covers the basics of borders and shading. In the next video, I will show how to control number formatting so your figures look consistent and professional. If you want that next step, stay tuned and try these visual changes on a copy of your file so your original data stays safe